Hey, what it do was Gucci YouTube. This is your favorite man, so back again, guys, with another banger. You guys know the vibes. Tomorrow is NFP. So by the time you see this video, it's just a few hours before NFP, guys. Hope you guys make profits. Let me show you guys a strategy that could really make you 20,000, guys. 20 to 30,000, 40,000, 50,000. Whatever amount you deposit does not really determine the profits you're gonna make. You feel me? Like you will find some people that deposit $10, but then at the end of the day, they come out with the accounts of 100,000. And this is not like me saying you can flip it overnight. I'm not saying you can flip it in 1 month, but you can still flip it or not flip it. Let me use the term grow the account, right? Because listen, you can trade NFP today with a $10 account and make $100. Trade the next news event or trade the next setup, turn that $100 into 400, 400 into 1,000, 1,000 into 5,000, 5,000 into 20,000, 20,000 into 70, and then from there you've reached 100. You see, that's how fast the evaluation can happen. So nonetheless, guys, before getting into this video, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button, like this video, and turn on the post notification bell so you can get notified once I upload. Let's go to the daily time frame and see the market overview and see where our playground is at, right? So here we're just gonna take off the watch list so we can see much of what's happening on the chart. Let me just adjust. Okay, let's go, guys. So if we can zoom out, we can see that USD JPY is in an uptrend, right? What is it in? In an uptrend. So what are we expecting the market to do? To buy, right? Now, what are the key values that are telling us to buy? Remember, after every look, let me go explain to you guys. Remember this video, I'm showing you guys how to do it, right? So after every high, there's a what? If the market breaks, it has to retest and what? And buy. Retest and what? And buy. Retest and what? And buy, right? That's what the market, it has to do, right? It has to do that. So what can you see here? The market creates this high, comes down. It goes up, it retests that high, it goes up, it retests, it goes up, it retests, it goes up, it retests, it goes up, it's retesting to do what? To go up, right? So basically what we can see here is that the market had this major resistance that has turned into support. Why am I saying that? The market obviously rejected there, it came to the top side, rejected there, rejected 3 times, broke, retest. What are we expecting? We're expecting to buy, right? That's what we're expecting. So now we found our playground, right? We're going to reset the charts to find or spot our trend line. So I'm just going to try and do it from here. Guys, I don't practice anything before doing my YouTube videos. I do it as transparent as it is, right? So there we go. So we're just going to see if it's going to be able to clone. There we go. So it's not the perfect trend line. It's not like as perfect as you would expect it to be. But guys, Forex isn't perfect. Like you see, people will be explaining to you that the market moves like this. The market doesn't move like that, guys. You will think the market, let me just go back to USD GPY. Sorry for that, guys. Uh, okay. So let me go back to what I was saying. You would think that the market moves like this, right? As we explain it, but then the market doesn't move like this. You'll find that the market moves like this, boy. You'll find out that the market moves like this. And then what do you want to do when the market moves like that? So you just have to know market structure, right? So here we have our channel, right? We have our ascending channel. We go down to the 4-hour time frame. What are we going to look at the 4-hour time frame or on the 4-hour time frame? We're going to look for our zones, right? So most people, last time someone came to me said like, if you're selling your strategy, why would you like analyze on YouTube for us to see your strategy? Guys, this is not what you call a strategy. This is basics, right? This is the basics of Forex. And if you can't understand that yet, then you have to go back to the books, right? This is just the basics. It's not me telling you my strategy includes entry point and the psychologies that come with the entry point and a lot of things, guys. So, okay, from here again, we're gonna highlight this one because it's our highest point, right? And then we're also gonna do this one, multiple rejections there. So now that we've gotten that, right? We've got that, we're gonna go to the 1 hour time frame because there's nothing for us left that side, right? Let's identify market structure. What happened starting from there? Okay, sharp. The market came down, the market went up. The market came down, the market tested this level to its second time, came down the third time, right? Fourth time. What are we gonna do? We have to test it again. Now, in order for us to test it, we have to do what? We have to encounter what? Support, right? Now let's look at the Fibonacci if we are ready to go up, right? If we are ready, have we met half of that Fibonacci? There is it. We have met our 50% and almost 60%. You can see how the market is rejecting right over there. I'm gonna go down to what? 30 minutes time frame. Where am I gonna be focusing on now? This is now very important and you have to be very skeptical, right? You have to be very cautious about your next move when it comes to 30-minute time frame. We can identify these turning points. Remember, this was close to the 61.8, right? And then we can also identify this. This was our 50%. What is the market doing here? Cool. We zoom into the chart. What's the market doing here? The market is rejecting. Guys, when I come like to the 30 minutes time frame, I don't like to take like margin lines and draw trend lines because it'll show you that the market has broken out. But even you as a person, you can see that as a trader, you can see that the market has broken out. Yes, but look here, it's not giving you the impulse that it has to give you. Rather, it's showing you that the sellers are dying out, right? Guys, hit the subscribe button, guys. This channel, biggest in Namibia, guys. So obviously from here, the market is rejecting. What are we looking for? We're looking for buying opportunities. Cool. That's when we say we have our what? Our support, right? We have our support. We go down to the 15 minutes time frame. Obviously to the 15 minutes time frame, we're looking for what? Entry area. So where do we have our high entry value? It's here. So that's now part of my strategy, guys, but I did not explain it to you. I'm just showing you how I do it, but I did not explain to you how you should do it, right? If you get the point. So that's entry area, right? Then we push to 5 minute time frame. Going to 5 minute time frame, we're gonna highlight our entry area properly. And then what are we gonna say? If the market can break out, wait a minute. We do have this correctional what? Correctional pattern. This is like a reversal thing, right? After the market can break to the upside, we're gonna be sure that it's gonna reverse to the top side. So once it can break out there, retest, give us one buying candlestick here. What are we gonna do? We're gonna enter our buy there, and then we're gonna target that side. So where we're gonna place our buy on a confirmation candlestick. This one below the entry area, and then this one the take profit. I have a way of calculating my TPs, but as I show you guys, as I've shown you guys in the other videos, you can just use like your highs and then mitigate, obviously, or estimate or predict, whatever you guys want to call it, where the market is gonna end up, right? But then this is NFP, so we know the market can just like pew, yeah. So in its 5 minutes, like this thing can spike till here sharp. So now we go to what? Euro USD. Obviously, we know they are oppositely correlating, but we just want to see, right? We just want to analyze and see what is happening on the markets. Zoom out, take off the watch list. So this one has been, what is this? What do you call this? It has been consolidating for a while, guys. It has been consolidating for a while, but what's happening, right? So most traders think that the market has formed a head and shoulders pattern, right? But let me tell you guys something of a head and shoulder. This cannot be the right shoulder if it's correcting. Which shoulder did you see that corrects? I see inverse head and shoulder, which is left, head, and then the right is correcting to do what? To give us a proper buy. That's what I'm seeing, right? W is in the channel. Make sure you subscribe. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to reset the charts and I'm only going to focus on what? My right arm, right? My right head and shoulder, my right shoulder. So What do you see here? Already here you see correction, right? Correction here. What do we expect? Impulse, right? So after we see that that's happening there, we're gonna see, can we clone this? Okay, Zon is playing with me a little bit. Can we clone this? Okay, cool. We're just gonna place it like that, guys. That one is not even important like that. For our time frame, what are we looking for? Our playground, right? We're gonna focus on what's happening here. We do that, and then we do that, and then we do that. So this one we're just gonna adjust it till like somewhere here, right? Yeah. So and then obviously I think this one, because it's a turning point. You feel me? I'm not gonna make like a lot of them. Then I'm gonna push down to the 1 hour time frame. Coming down to the 1 hour time frame, what is happening? So nearest, let's focus on what's happening here. Can we identify something? Yes, we can. Can you do it here? You can't, because there's a lot of mess going on there, right? So we're gonna do it here, right? We're gonna do it there. Okay. Can we clone? You must always look if you can clone whatever is happening. You cannot clone unless you think smart, guys. Unless you think smart, you can do it like this, right? So we have like the market is moving into that in that thingy, but then not important, right? We push down to the 30 minutes time frame. 30-minute time frame, what can you see? You can see the market forming what? Resistance on that area, right? Resistance on that area. And then here, what do we see? We see the market forming support on this area right there, right? So this is going to be, I think, our entry area. We're going to leave it out for now. 15-minute time frame, right? 15-minute, what do we see? We see the market doing impulse, correction, impulse. And here now the market is giving correction, impulse, correction, impulse, correction, impulse, right? That's what we're looking for. I am just gonna put this as TP1 already, guys. I know for sure. 5 minute time frame, right? And 15-minute there was nothing, right? So here we go, entry. So what are we looking for? Break, retest, candlestick confirmation, buy. Where is this long? Place there. And then, so with Euro USD, you're not going to target really nice. It's not like you have a good target. But if you like go on the biggest time frames, you're going to see that there is still a bigger picture to aim right there, right? But on the 5 minute, obviously, that's all that I see. And I believe this movement will play out even before 2 o'clock, right? So South African time, obviously Namibian time. From there, let's move to the last pair, which is gold, guys, which I'm only going to recommend those 3 pairs for tomorrow. Nasdaq, US30, whatever, US 500, SPX, whatever. Leave those things alone, guys. For tomorrow, just focus on what you have to focus on, right? So gold is so simple, guys. Gold is so beautiful. Gold's structure is so nice and simple. Daily, I'm there. Like we can already see, guys, uptrend. We don't need like for me to tell you everything. Some things you already know. You know that this thing moves with Euro USD, so nothing to complicate. There we have a zone. I think this one sharp, and then that one, right? So from there, what do I see? Touch, touch. Obviously here maybe rejection. Touch, touch. Yeah, uh support here, touch, you touch, yeah, touch, touch, sharp. So we have that as in cool. We're gonna go down to the 4 hour time frame. Going down to the 4 hour time frame, I'm just gonna zoom out a bit to see what can I pop in here, right? So we can see that how was the market moving. We're looking for market structure. Top side, come down. Top side, come down. What are we looking for? For the market to come back somewhere here and do what? And drop. So for NFP, we're looking for what? Buys. Exactly. As a what? As a retracement. Cool. Go down to the 1 hour time frame. As long as they give you what you want, guys, you move. right? So I did take this trade with my team. Let me just show you guys. I'm not bragging or anything. This is just to show you guys. So as the market go on my Instagram, you'll see before and after. Follow me on uncle.nasdaq, the only Uncle Nasdaq that's verified on Instagram, right? So as the market was breaking out here, we saw this retest, and as we saw this candlestick confirmation that looks like a hammer, this one we decided to place our longs just there, and then the market went and never came back, right? So let's move, guys. Let's move. That was about yesterday. Click the link in the description. Join the free group. If you want to trade with the best broker that I recommend, also click the link. Create your account, deposit, make money, withdraw. Let's go. So what I can see here is basically that, guys. You can see that, and then this one it's on the top side. So I'm just gonna adjust this one to where the high started, right? Where the last selling movement gave power. I don't know if you understand what I'm saying, but yeah. Cool. We're gonna push down to the 30-minute time frame, right? Guys, sometimes also I tend to freeze when I'm on the market. It's just like that. So here, 15. 15, we're looking for what? So the entry value is a bit far, right? From where the support is. It's a bit far, but it's okay. Sometimes things are just okay. What are we waiting for, guys? So we found that we're looking for entry point, right? What can we see the market do here? We can see that the market was having this type of a thing. It broke out, retested, and now it's starting to give us like a proper buy. A mistake. Good. So here, obviously, I can also see that the market is creating a nice, beautiful trend line that could possibly give us our entry confirmation. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful things, right? There we go. There we go. So we don't know. We'll see what happens with gold. Breakout retest, then we might sell. But then obviously we're looking for it to break out, retest, and then buy, because its correlating pairs are also giving us the buying momentum, right? Confirmation entry. Good. Good, guys. This is what we see. This is what we have. This is what we're working with. Let's operate, guys. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button, click the like button, guys, just to show support. Let's get this video at least to 100 likes. Look, we're getting it to 100 likes, but if you kill NFP, we have to get this video to at least 245 likes. Why? Because I trade with trade 245, which is trade 245, guys. If you want to trade with trade 245, click the link in the description below. Create your account, send me a screenshot, let me add you to my VIP signal group. Let's make money together, guys. Remember, if you want to join the bootcamp of flipping 500 to 10K, just click the link in the bio, create your Trade 245 account. If you already have a Trade 245 account, deposit, send me a screenshot, let me add you to the bootcamp. Let's kill it. Let's go, guys. Subscribe. Let me see you guys on another video. Danko.